Hello, this is Ashee from Crafting with Ashee and welcome to this video. This is the card we're making today. It's really simple, so let's get started. I have here a piece of basic white and the stamp set we're going to use is this one called Evergreen Elegance, and we're going to use quite a few of these images. We're going to stamp initially in Shaded Spruce, so here it is. Here's our block. I think we're going to use this big tree to start off with. Let's see. I'll stamp one there. Turn it over, I made a booby there. I'm not concentrating. That's better. There we go. And then I'm just going to give this a clean using the simple chamois. Okay, because we need the block. And let's take one of our other tree images. This one here. And there's quite a few tree images here, so different sizes and that you can use. And let's, as I said again, clean this up. Quite a bit of ink on here for some reason. I think my ink pad is exceptionally juicy. And let's use a smaller block this time, not this honking great thing. So I'm going to get a smaller one out. Sorry about all the noise. Yeah, that'll do for now. Maybe just a little bit here. That'll do. Really juicy block. I mean, stamp set. Ink pad, I'll get there in the end. Really juicy ink pad. Wanting to stamp itself everywhere. Let's close that up for now. Close this up as we're done with this, its juiciness. And then we're going to bring in the Stamparatus. I didn't use this for the trees because I wanted to stamp after, as you saw. Sorry about the noise as I try to make a bit more space on my desk. Everything has gone everywhere, as you can imagine. I'm going to put this down here. And we're going to do some heat embossing now, so let's bring in all our bits for that. So we're going to heat emboss with gold embossing powder. So let me bring, as I said, those in and get our powder tool out, and just so we don't get any static or not too much of it anyway. Okay, and we're going to stamp now a Merry Christmas somewhere nice. Like that. Hopefully it's straight. And we're going to stamp this time in Versamark ink. Like that. And you can't see it, but I can see that it's stamped. So move all of that aside, and then quickly we're going to stamp our star, also in Versamark, just lightly here and there. Sometimes it's difficult to see where they are, but I think that's going to be enough. I don't want to use too many. And then we're going to put on our embossing powder. There's powder where we don't want it. We'll just tap it up with the paintbrush. Okay, so let's put this powder back in its little home. However hard I try, I still get powder everywhere. Just seems to be one of those things, I don't know why. Seems to go everywhere, so get rid of some of it at least. And now you can see I've made few boo-boos here, so I'm just going to use my paintbrush just to knock off where I don't want the powder to show. Give it a good tap. Like that, and now I'm just going to heat emboss that, and I'll be back. So everything is heat embossed, as you can see here, and then I forgot to do the insert with you, so I quickly did that as well. I used the same stamp set and just heat embossed. So now we can start to put everything together. So let's stick it to our card base, and this is a shaded spruce A6 card base, so that's an A4 sheet cut in half and then folded in half, and then we're just going to stick this down. Okay, and then the base, the insert, I'll stick this down as well. Some glue there on my craft mat, however hard I try, it always happens. So just give everything a good press. Okay, and then finishing touches, I'm going to use some of these holiday rhinestones that I'm going to scatter about. So let's see, let's have one here. And where should we put another one there? And I'm not being too precise where I put them. And just one more, because I don't want to just be 4, and like odd numbers looks better, I think. Maybe one there. And there you go. There are your cards. So I hope you liked them. If you do, I'd be grateful if you could give it a thumbs up so YouTube know. And if you're not already, please do consider subscribing to my videos. It's much appreciated. If you have any questions, do ask. All the measurements, supply list, etc. will be on the blog post on my website, and the links to that and all my social media links are in the description box below. So thank you again, and until next time, enjoy being creative.